Neo Geo, SNK's foresight to create a product using state-of-the-art technology and positive marketing ideas. This refined sensibility and cutting-edge technology have been fused together to create the ultimate in amusement entertainment, which now provides the world with limitless pleasure. Today, we are going to take a long look at Neo Geo and its creator, SNK. Perhaps there are some people who are not familiar with the company name SNK, yet to many, these Neo Geo amusement machines displayed here have a legion of devoted fans. SNK produces and sells the coin-operated Neo Geo hardware and software, as well as the Neo Geo home entertainment system. Now, let's take a look at why SNK has so effectively torn down the barrier of conventional amusement machines and created its new, unique Neo Geo system, a system that is growing in popularity worldwide. The Neo Geo system springs forth from a desire to bring people a unique form of entertainment, both amusing and powerful. The system was first patented in America and is now in the process of receiving patents in a number of countries throughout the world. The fresh, bold Neo Geo is represented by our coin-operated MVS or multi-video system and the home entertainment systems. Our multi-video system allows the user to operate a number of games in one game cabinet. Maintenance and changing cassettes is done in one simple process. Our home system holds the same power and capabilities as our coin-operated machines. One of the secrets of Neo Geo's popularity is that users can enjoy the same quality of gameplay in the privacy of their own homes as in the active atmosphere of the arcade. SNK's memory card is one concrete example of this. As shown here, this person playing our Neo Geo game, Fatal Fury 2, on his home system can end the game here, then continue the game on the MVS cabinet in the arcade. Of course, there are other unseen reasons that further explain the secret of Neo Geo's popularity. A maximum capacity of 64 megabytes for character animation provides vivid action and stirring graphics, enlivened by 65,536 colors. Our screen does not flicker, and it can display up to 380 sprites at one time. The full three-dimensional sound of our Neo Geo is composed of 15 channels, 7 of which are devoted to actual speech. Then there is a direct ROM access of an abundant 330 megabytes of memory that enables our system to bring to the user incomparable, stunningly powerful images. Many people are praising Neo Geo's unique system and concept. Of course, Neo Geo's attractiveness does not stem from its hardware alone. Our software is the result of thorough planning. This planning produces games that thrill the player with fascinating stories. Unprecedentedly dazzling software, such as Art of Fighting with 102 megabytes of memory and Fatal Fury 2 with 106, continue to flow from Neo Geo's creative technological team. Our hardware can process up to 330 megabytes. Therefore, we will be able to bring you previously unimaginable games containing 150 megabytes or even 250 megabytes. From now on, the anticipation of new Neo Geo software will be an amusement in itself. Now, let's take an inside look at the company that continues to create the ultimate in amusement, SNK. In 1978, the year Narita opened Japan to the world, SNK began as a corporation in Higashi Osaka under the name of Shin Nihon Kikaku. In 1986, the company changed its name to SNK, moving to its present location in Suita City. Early on in the company's history, SNK established subsidiaries in America with the SNK Corporation of America and SNK Home Entertainment, and more recently in Hong Kong with the establishment of SNK Asia Limited. And its reputation for the production of high-quality merchandise assures its role as a powerful force in the marketplace. The Neo Geo system has received such awards as the AOU Award for Most Innovative Product, the Good Design Award from Japan's Ministry of International Trade and Industry, and in America, the Acme Award for Outstanding Design. SNK is divided into 5 departments: the Planning and Development Department, the Engineering Department, the Production Department, the Sales Department, and the Operations Department. SNK's business is built on 3 main pillars. The first is involved with coin-operated machines. Based on our MVS system, we establish new forms of amusement and sell to a specific market. With this machine in this small space, we plan on increasing customers and establishing new markets. The second pillar is that of amusement management. The Amusement Management Department is actively involved in making proposals to establish new types of amusement shops which are able to respond to both changes in the amusement trade and the needs of our users. Our third pillar is the Consumer Department. Based on the concept of enjoying arcade game action in the home, new proposals are developed to match games with changes in lifestyles and intellectual values, helping to bring forth new forms of communication. SNK is involving itself in new forms of creation, planning, and corporate activity. Our sales continue to rise dramatically. From 1991 to the present, our sales have almost doubled, and by 1996, we project sales at $1.2 billion. Along with our increased sales, so too our staff is expected to expand from the current number of more than 500 to a body of 1,100 members by 1996. By 1996, we intend to expand our Japanese sales network to 120 areas. The reason for this development comes from our company's policy of keeping its own sensibility and its aim of developing the amusement industry while contributing to society. Always encouraging the spirit of play and a carefree atmosphere, we created this recreation room to complement our company facilities. It helps our employees create superior products, thus helping our company to evolve. To produce games that captivate our players' imaginations, SNK has created production teams headed by a game producer who oversees character designers, programmers, sound engineers, and hardware engineers. These teams encourage each other and foster a creative atmosphere, giving birth to new ideas. This miraculous combination of people and talent continues to produce fresh and interesting games that have come to symbolize SNK's much-respected reputation. Let's take a look at our development process. The first step is planning. For our developers, from the moment our games are formulated, only a database exists. The next large step is made through planning. Adding a new, unique value to the expansion of the game system and story, a new direction is decided by using cinematic and narrative techniques. A sense of consolidated action along with character design and background is what is sought. Dynamic, beautiful images, which exceed those of the prototypes and dazzle the player, are SNK's primary goal. Game sound is what enlivens our video images. At SNK, we are always aiming to create the most effective, thrilling sound effects and music for our games. The rich sound capabilities of Neo Geo provides the composer with the opportunity to freely use his imagination and abilities to the fullest and give the player the feeling of truly being inside the world of the game. Finally, we'll take a look at the completion of Neo Geo software. Programming gives each image an exact number value. For various components, such as fine-tuning visuals within the game, a vast amount of technical knowledge is required. An analog creates crisp digital images. SNK incorporates the newest computer technology to enlarge the possibilities of our Neo Geo game base. At SNK, we take pride in our distinctive Neo Geo products, from production at our modern factory to delivery. Our automatic software PC board assembly system, our automated PC board printing system, our warehouse system, our distribution system, our strict quality control, our swift and precise delivery system. In these ways, SNK introduces the newest procedures and facilities to our unique production system. Based on this process, we can deliver high-quality products quickly and efficiently. SNK's sales network boasts prominence in our trade. We have independent sales sections for both our Neo Geo MVS coin-operated machines and our Neo Geo home entertainment system. For operators and consumers, this means personal access to our company. In addition, for our MVS machines, we are breaking ground and finding new and unusual locations while widening our area of business in Japan and throughout the world. Our coin-operated machines use the POS system, which calculates the earnings of each machine and its software in seconds. The operator can determine the popularity of games and location earnings using this extensive bookkeeping system. SNK's sales philosophy is not simply based on the selling of a product, but on widening the field of possibilities. SNK is constantly staying in touch with its customers through satellite shops, such as Space 2020 in Kanazawa. Through these shops, we are able to understand the needs and desires of our clientele. Providing both recreation and entertainment, we have begun our Neo Geo land amusement spaces, which provide a bright and healthy atmosphere. Furthermore, SNK is constantly involved in advertising in all media formats to inform the public and the industry of the steps we are taking and the progress we have made to bring forth the ultimate in amusement entertainment. its inception, SNK has foreseen the coming of the software culture. Starting with America, then expanding to Europe, Oceania, and Asia, the organization is constantly working to strengthen existing international ties, while searching for new frontiers in the quest to establish a new form of entertainment. From our efforts, Neo Geo has come to be known as a widely supported and trusted brand in the marketplace. Our main office gathers information at all levels from our global network through computer link-ups. With this information, SNK's possibilities are endless. We are constantly striving to make innovative contributions to the amusement industry by using a multitude of approaches and considering all of its facets. SNK. Our energy comes from constant planning for new possibilities, new challenges. For us at SNK, the future is now. For the amusement industry, the future is SNK.